I'm meteorologist Gretchen Mishik with your severe weather outlook on this Saturday. Looming in the Gulf of Mexico, Tropical Storm Karen will be approaching the Gulf Coast. Just a few clouds out at Alligator Point, Florida, but the wet and windy conditions will be moving in, especially as we head through the second half of the weekend. This storm system will first be impacting the southeastern edge of Louisiana and then eventually moving into the southern edges of Alabama and into the Panhandle of Florida. Then, as we head through the second half of the weekend into early next week, we'll start to see this system interact with a cold front that's moving through the Ohio River Valley, and that's going to steer this low back into the mid-Atlantic region, generating some thunderstorm activity there Monday and into Tuesday. High winds, heavy rain, that's going to be the concern in these pink shaded areas where we do have tropical storm watches in effect. Tropical storm warnings also remaining in effect. Over an inch of rain expected in these areas, although in recent updates we have seen that Karen has been a little bit weaker than it has been earlier on. Across the north central region, we have had some very different conditions. Blizzards developing in the central and western portions of South Dakota. Some very impressive snowfall totals there. And in fact, check out Lead, South Dakota, over 40 inches of snow, and it's still snowing. We've set several new records. East Rapid City yesterday picked up 19 inches of snow. Of course, that is so much larger than their previous record of just under an inch and a half set back in 2005. We did have some severe storms break out yesterday near Sioux City, Iowa. 14 preliminary reports of tornadoes. Some of those were up to a mile wide in diameter, unfortunately causing injuries. We are looking at a severe threat once again today. That does include the Chicago area, Indianapolis, down through St. Louis. We'll keep an eye on it right here.